Imagine for a moment you're walking through the corridors of a luxury shopping mall, observing the gleaming storefronts, mirrored floors, and countertops that seem to have been sculpted by the gods themselves. What you might not realize is that you're literally stepping on and touching one of the most valuable commodities on the planet. Every square meter of polished granite you see represents not only millions of years of geological formation, but trillions of dollars circulating silently through the global economy. At this very moment, as you read these words, hundreds of cargo ships are crossing oceans loaded with tons of this precious stone. Giant cranes are moving blocks worth more than luxury cars, and somewhere in the world, a granite transaction has just moved more money than the GDP of small nations. But how did a simple stone transform into the beating heart of an economy that rivals entire industries? The answer is hidden in numbers that defy imagination. The global granite market moves annually more than $200 billion, directly employing more than 2 million people and indirectly sustaining entire economies. From quarries in the mountains of Brazil to kitchens in Manhattan, there exists an economic chain so complex and lucrative that few can comprehend its true magnitude. Prepare to discover how rocks extracted from the depths of the earth became symbols of status, solid investments, and the foundation of fortunes that span generations. The economic history of granite begins long before the first skyscrapers or modern gourmet kitchens. More than 4,000 years ago, ancient civilizations already recognized the intrinsic value of this rock. Egyptian pharaohs didn't choose granite for their pyramids just for its beauty. They understood they were investing in something eternal, something that would maintain value through millennia. During the Roman Empire, granite literally became currency. Emperors paid entire armies with the right to exploit quarries, and entire trade routes were established to transport these rocky treasures. What began as a matter of prestige quickly evolved into a sophisticated economic network that connected continents. The true economic revolution of granite, however, began in the 19th century with industrialization. Suddenly, what was once the privilege of kings and emperors became accessible to the growing middle class. Banks began using granite in their facades not just for aesthetics, but as tangible demonstration of financial solidity. The expression "solid as a rock" gained literal meaning in the business world. The 20th century brought the democratization of granitic luxury. With the development of new cutting and polishing technologies, granite migrated from palaces to residences, creating a mass market that exponentially multiplied its economic value. Every renovated kitchen, every modernized bathroom represented not just an aesthetic improvement, but an investment that added real value to family patrimony. Today, this historical heritage translates into impressive numbers. Countries like Brazil, India, and China built entire regional economies based on granite extraction and processing, generating jobs and foreign currency that sustain millions of families around the world. The process of transforming mountains into fortunes begins in the depths of the earth, where unimaginable pressures and extreme temperatures created, over millions of years, the granitic deposits that today feed a trillion-dollar economy. The identification of these deposits represents the first massive investment. Teams of specialized geologists, prospecting equipment costing millions of dollars, and laboratory analyses that can determine the success or failure of billion-dollar enterprises. Once a promising deposit is located, a complex economic ballet begins. The acquisition of mining rights can involve negotiations that move hundreds of millions of dollars with governments, local communities, and international investors. Every hectare of land with granitic potential is evaluated as if it were an oil field, because in many aspects, that's exactly what it represents. The actual extraction requires investments that would make many tech startups pale. Cutting machines with diamond wires that cost more than commercial aircraft work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, extracting blocks that can individually be worth more than $100,000. Every movement is calculated. Every cut is planned to maximize the financial return of each cubic meter extracted. The transportation of these rocky giants represents another economic universe. Specialized trucks, cranes of extraordinary capacity, and cargo ships dedicated exclusively to granite mobilized logistics that rivals the automotive industry. A single ship can transport enough granite to supply an entire city for months, representing loads that frequently exceed $50 million. Hey, you who are watching! Comment down below from what place you're joining us on this incredible journey through the world of granite. Your comment is very important so we can always bring new videos about how the things we know represent true fortunes in the global economy. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the Factory-Made channel so you don't miss any discovery. The technological revolution transformed granite from an artisanal industry into a global economic powerhouse. Today, artificial intelligence analyzes rock patterns to predict which blocks will generate greater financial returns, while sophisticated algorithms optimize each cut to minimize waste and maximize profits. This technology isn't just impressive, it represents billions of dollars in additional efficiency. Computer-controlled machines with millimeter precision transform raw blocks into architectural works of art. Each of these pieces of equipment represents an investment of millions of dollars, but the return is proportional. A single machine can process enough granite to generate annual revenues exceeding $100 million. Automation not only increased productivity, it created a quality standard that allows granite to compete in the world's most demanding markets. Three-dimensional scanning technology completely revolutionized granite pricing. Systems that cost more than luxury homes analyze each block in microscopic detail, identifying unique patterns that can multiply value by 10 or more. A block with especially rare veins can be sold for prices that rival works of art. And this precise identification is what separates ordinary profits from extraordinary fortunes. Specialized robots work 24 hours a day polishing surfaces with perfection impossible to achieve manually. These automated systems not only guarantee superior quality, they allow a single facility to process volumes that previously required hundreds of workers, exponentially multiplying the profitability of each operation. Innovation in intelligent logistics created tracking systems that accompany each block from extraction to final installation. This transparency not only reduces losses, it enables dynamic pricing based on real demand, optimizing revenues in ways that would have been unthinkable just a decade ago. In the economic universe of granite, quality isn't just an aesthetic matter. It's literally the difference between modest profits and extraordinary fortunes. Quality control systems costing millions of dollars ensure that every square centimeter meets the most rigorous international standards, because a single defect can transform a $100,000 block into waste material. Specialized laboratories equipped with cutting-edge technology analyze resistance, porosity, chemical composition, and structural stability of each batch. These tests aren't just technical procedures. They're financial evaluations that determine whether a shipment will be sold to premium markets or directed toward lower-value applications. The difference can represent millions of dollars in a single transaction. International certifications became economic passports that open or close entire markets. A recognized quality seal can increase a product's value by 50% or more, while its absence can make entry into lucrative markets impossible. Companies invest fortunes to obtain and maintain these certifications because they understand their direct impact on profitability. Traceability systems allow each piece to be tracked from its geological origin to final installation. This transparency not only guarantees quality, it creates added value for consumers willing to pay premium for products with proven provenance. In luxury markets, this traceability can add thousands of dollars to the final value of each project. Rigorous environmental controls ensure that extraction and processing meet sustainability standards required by the most sophisticated markets. These investments in environmental compliance aren't just operational costs. They're strategic investments that maintain access to markets that move billions of dollars annually. Sustainability in the granite sector evolved from regulatory obligation to trillion-dollar competitive advantage. Companies that invest heavily in sustainable practices discovered that conscious consumers are willing to pay substantial premiums for environmentally responsible products. transforming environmental costs into extraordinary revenue opportunities. Water recycling technologies represent investments of millions of dollars that pay for themselves quickly through operational savings and access to premium markets. Closed-loop systems not only reduce environmental impact, they eliminate water costs that can represent millions of dollars annually in large-scale operations. Reforestation and environmental recovery programs, while requiring significant investments, create long-term assets that frequently appreciate beyond original costs. Recovered areas can be developed for ecological tourism or sustainable agriculture, generating additional revenues that complement main extraction operations. Renewable energy transformed from environmental ideal to economic necessity. Solar and wind installations at quarries not only reduce operational costs, they frequently generate surplus energy that can be sold, creating completely new revenue sources. Some operations manage to reduce energy costs by 80% or more. Sustainability certifications open doors to markets that move hundreds of billions of dollars annually. Sustainable construction projects, which represent the industry's fastest-growing segment, frequently require certified materials, creating premium demand that justifies substantial investments in responsible environmental practices. The economic challenges of the granite sector are as monumental as the rocks themselves that it processes. Currency fluctuations can transform profitable operations into devastating losses overnight, forcing companies to develop sophisticated financial strategies that rival investment banks. Currency hedging, futures contracts, and geographical diversification became essential tools to protect margins in a volatile global market. Increasingly, rigorous environmental regulations represent both threats and trillion-dollar opportunities. Companies that anticipate regulatory changes and invest proactively in compliance frequently discover that their competitors become unable to operate, creating market consolidation opportunities that can generate extraordinary returns. Specialized labor shortages created wage pressures that threatened margins, but also drove automation innovations that multiplied productivity. Investments in training and technology, while initially costly, frequently result in lasting competitive advantages that amply justify costs. Complex international logistics, with its unpredictable tariffs and constantly changing regulations, force the development of sophisticated distribution networks. Companies that mastered this complexity created entry barriers that protect premium margins and enable accelerated expansion into new markets. Competition from synthetic materials drove innovation in marketing and product development that highlight the unique advantages of natural granite. Campaigns emphasizing authenticity, durability, and investment value transformed competitive threats into differentiation opportunities that sustained substantial premiums. Granite transcended its original function to become a value multiplier in practically all sectors of the modern economy. In luxury residences, granite countertops don't just serve functional purposes, they represent investments that frequently appreciate faster than stocks or bonds, adding tens of thousands of dollars to property resale value. In the commercial sector, granite lobbies and facades communicate financial solidity in ways that no synthetic material can match. Banks, law offices, and consulting firms invest millions in granite because they understand its psychological impact on clients and its contribution to brand value perception. Granite monuments and memorials represent specialized markets, where price is rarely a primary consideration. Families and organizations invest fortunes in granite to create permanent legacies, generating premium demand that sustains extraordinary margins for specialized suppliers. Industrial granite applications, from precision machine bases to scientific equipment components, create constant demand in sectors that value performance above cost. These technical applications frequently generate margins superior to residential markets due to the specificity of requirements. Emerging decorative granite markets, including jewelry, art objects, and luxury accessories, demonstrate how innovation in applications can create entirely new value categories. Creative designers transform production remnants into high-value products, multiplying revenues from materials that were previously considered waste. The economic future of granite is being redefined by trends that promise to multiply its value beyond any current projection. Accelerated urbanization in emerging markets will create demand for billions of square meters of granite in the coming decades, establishing foundations for economic growth that can easily double the market's current size. Mass customization technologies will allow consumers to create unique designs without prohibitive costs, democratizing personalized luxury and expanding markets to previously inaccessible segments. Three-dimensional printing and precision laser cutting will transform granite from commodity to high-tech product. Sustainability will evolve from competitive differential to basic market requirement, creating trillion-dollar opportunities for companies that master environmentally neutral extraction and processing technologies. Carbon credits and green certifications will add entirely new layers of value to sustainable operations. Integration with smart technologies will create smart granite with embedded sensors for structural monitoring, temperature control, and even energy generation. These innovations will transform granite from passive material to active component of intelligent buildings, multiplying its value by factors not yet fully understood. Emerging space markets may create demand for granite processed in zero gravity for applications requiring unique properties impossible to obtain on Earth. While speculative, this potential represents economic opportunities that could completely redefine the industry in coming decades. Throughout this journey through the trillions of dollars that circulate silently through the global granite market, we discovered an economic reality that challenges conventional perceptions about value and wealth. What began as rocks formed in the depths of the earth evolved into one of the most valuable and versatile commodities of the modern economy. From quarries where billion-dollar investments extract rocky treasures to residences where each countertop represents an investment that appreciates over time, granite demonstrates how natural resources can be transformed into sustainable wealth through innovation, technology, and entrepreneurial vision. The numbers are impressive. $200 billion moved annually, millions of jobs created, entire regional economies sustained by the extraction and processing of this extraordinary rock. But beyond the numbers, we discovered an industry that combines millennial tradition with cutting-edge technology, creating value that transcends generations. The economic complexity of granite, from geological analyses costing millions to global logistics systems that move billions, reveals how apparently simple resources can sustain economic ecosystems of extraordinary sophistication. Each extracted block represents not just a rock, but a link in a value chain that connects continents and cultures. The future promises to expand this wealth even further, with emerging technologies and developing markets creating opportunities that can easily double or triple the sector's current value. Granite isn't just a rock, it's an investment in humanity's future. What an incredible journey we just shared. Did you already imagine that behind every granite countertop exists a trillion-dollar economy moving fortunes around the world? Leave your comment below telling us which aspect most surprised you in this exploration of granite's economic universe. Share this video with friends and family who would also be fascinated to discover how rocks transform into valuable investments. And if you want to continue discovering the economic secrets behind the objects of our daily lives, subscribe to the Factory-Made channel and activate notifications so you don't miss any revelation. What other trillion-dollar market would you like to see unveiled? Diamonds? Oil? Or perhaps something completely unexpected? Your suggestion could be the next video that changes your perspective on wealth and value. Special thanks to the companies and institutions that, through materials available for educational use, made possible this fascinating exploration of granite's economic universe. From industrial associations to universities specialized in economic geology, each source contributed to revealing the trillion-dollar secrets of this extraordinary industry. We also thank you, who dedicated your time to discover with us how millennial rocks transformed into one of the planet's most powerful economic forces. Your curiosity and engagement make it possible to continue exploring the economic mysteries that surround us. Continue following Factory-Made for more revelations about how apparently simple objects sustain complex economies and unimaginable fortunes. Until the next trillion-dollar discovery. The next time you walk through a luxury shopping mall or visit a gourmet kitchen, remember that you're literally touching trillions of dollars in motion. Every granite surface tells a story of billion-dollar investments, technological innovation, and entrepreneurial vision that transformed rocks into wealth. The world is full of hidden fortunes waiting to be discovered. You just need to know where to look.